Hello and welcome to Craft Catalog, the place where creativity meets opportunity. If you have ever looked at a simple piece of wood and wondered, could I actually make money from that? You are in the right place. Today we are diving deep into the world of woodworking side hustles, and more importantly, what actually sells. Not just what looks good on social media, but what real people are buying and loving right now. So grab your notebook or maybe a cup of coffee, because by the end of this video, you might just have your next business. Let us start with the truth. Woodworking does not have to be complicated to be profitable. Many beginners think they need a workshop full of tools or years of experience before they can start selling wood crafts. But the reality is simple. Practical, beautiful projects often bring in the most profit. People want unique, handmade pieces that tell a story, something they can use or display in their home. You are not just selling wood. You are selling warmth, craftsmanship, and personality. Now let us explore what kinds of projects actually sell, and why. 1. Functional home decor. These are things people use every single day, such as shelves, key holders, and small storage boxes. They do not take long to make, they use very little material, and they fit beautifully into almost any home. A simple rustic shelf or stylish key rack can be built in less than an hour. Customers love them because they look handmade, cozy, and purposeful. They are timeless, affordable, and always in demand. 2. Custom gifts. This category is huge. People love giving personalized gifts that feel special. You can make cutting boards with engraved names, photo frames with family initials, or small jewelry trays. Customized items sell better because they connect emotionally. You are not only crafting wood, you are crafting memories. And because they are unique, you can charge more for them. 3. Pet furniture and accessories. Pet lovers are willing to spend more than ever to make their pets comfortable. This means there is big demand for small pet beds, feeding stations, and cat shelves. These projects are easy to build, super fun, and they get attention online. You can even use leftover wood to create mini accessories like leash hooks or name tags. They are small, adorable, and profitable. 4. Outdoor and garden projects. People love decorating their patios, balconies, and gardens with handmade items. Plant stands, garden boxes, and bird feeders are perfect examples. These crafts sell well at local markets and online. They are also great for beginners because they do not need perfect finishes. Rustic charm makes them even better. Imagine turning scrap pallet wood into a planter box. It is affordable, eco-friendly, and fits the growing trend of sustainable living. 5. Small furniture pieces. Once you are comfortable with basic tools, this category can earn you the most profit. Think about compact coffee tables, end tables, or shoe racks. You do not need to make large, complicated furniture. People prefer modern, space-saving pieces that are light and functional. A small table or bench made from simple materials can sell for several times its cost. And once you create one design, you can repeat it and build faster each time. Now let us talk about what does not sell well. Overly complex or time-consuming projects often bring low returns. If something takes 10 hours to build but sells for very little, it is not a good side hustle. The goal is to balance creativity and efficiency. Start with small, repeatable designs. Improve your skills and refine your process over time. Here is another key point: presentation sells. Even the best wood project can be overlooked if it is not presented well. Good lighting, a clean background, and thoughtful styling make a world of difference. When selling online, remember that customers shop with their eyes first. Show your project in a real setting. Display your candle holder glowing on a nightstand, your rustic shelf holding plants, or your cutting board in a bright kitchen. This helps people imagine it in their own home, and that is what makes them click buy. If you are wondering how to find out what is selling right now, here is how. Check popular online marketplaces. Look at what is trending on platforms like Etsy, Pinterest, and Instagram. Notice which items get saved and shared. Those are real-time signals of demand. And keep this in mind, simple does not mean boring. A clean, modern design made with care can look just as luxurious as an expensive one. For example, a small handmade candle holder might cost almost nothing to make, yet it can be sold at a great profit when finished and photographed beautifully. It is all about creativity, attention to detail, and understanding your audience. Now let us move to something that separates successful sellers from the rest: branding. Even if you are new, treat your work as a small brand. Give your pieces names. Use consistent colors and styles for your product photos. When people scroll through social media, they should instantly recognize your work. This builds trust and creates loyalty. You can also share short behind-the-scenes videos, sanding, painting, or assembling. People love seeing the process. It makes your work feel authentic and adds emotional value. Let us recap the main points. The woodworking projects that actually sell combine three things: simplicity, functionality, and emotional appeal. 1. Home decor items such as shelves and racks. 2. Personalized and custom gifts. 3. Pet furniture and accessories. 4. Garden and outdoor decor. 5. Small but useful furniture pieces. Start with what you enjoy most. Keep your designs simple, neat, and repeatable. As your confidence grows, expand your range and refine your craftsmanship. Before long, that hobby in your garage can become a steady income source, or even a full-time creative business. If this video inspired you, make sure to subscribe to Craft Catalog for more woodworking ideas, DIY tutorials, and creative business tips. We share new videos every day, so there is always something new to build and explore. Thank you for watching, and remember, every masterpiece starts with a single piece of wood. Now go and build something amazing.